Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix Google Sheets access denied. So this is a simple issue to fix, so make sure you follow the steps carefully. Let's get started. So first, open the official Google Docs website. So just search Google Docs and click the first one that appears. So make sure it's the official website, docs.google.com, and sign into your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Google Sheets and other documents. So once you're signed in, on the left side, click the three line at the top left, then click Sheets. So once you're here, so normally clicking on a spreadsheet should open it without any issues. So, however, if you see permission denied, it usually means your Google account hasn't been given access to that particular file. So, to fix this, the owner of the spreadsheet needs to share it with you. So, they can open the spreadsheet and click the share button in the top right corner right here. So, from there, they can enter your Google account, email address, and choose the appropriate permission, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. So, after adding your email, they simply need to click send or share, and that's it. So once access has been granted, go back to the spreadsheet and try opening it again. You should now be able to access the file without seeing the permission denied message. And that's how you can fix the Google Sheets permission denied error. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.